If you're like most people, you have the best of intentions regarding how you want your estate distributed when you die or your affairs handled should you become incapacitated. Unfortunately, without proper planning, your best intentions may not be enough. Hi, I'm Antoinette Bone, estate planning, probate, elder law, and guardianship attorney in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And today I'm going to tell you the 6 most common estate planning mistakes people make. The first one is failing to plan. The biggest mistake is failing to create a plan in the first place. Without an estate plan, your assets will be distributed according to the law in the state where you live. Usually, if you are married, your spouse is entitled to a portion of your estate, and the rest is divided among your other relatives, which could be your children. If you are single, your estate may go to your children, parents, or siblings. If you have absolutely no living relatives, then your estate will go to your nearest kin. These may be people you know or you don't know. They may be people you like or don't like. Now, this is probably not what you want to have happen to your assets. In addition, without an estate plan, you have no way to name who will be the guardian of your children or who will act for you if you become incapacitated. Mistake number 2, doing it yourself. It's tempting to try to save money by using a do-it-yourself online will service or just writing something up yourself. But these often poorly drafted documents may only cost you and your heirs additional money in the end. It is impossible to know without a legal education and years of experience what the right legal solution is to any particular situation and what planning opportunities are available. If there's anything about a family situation that's not commonplace, using a DIY estate planning program means taking a large risk that can affect one's family for generations to come. An attorney can determine whether a particular situation qualifies as commonplace. The problems created by not getting competent legal advice probably won't be borne by the person creating the will, but they may well be shouldered by the person's children and grandchildren. Mistake number 3, not planning for disability. A properly drafted estate plan not only specifies what will happen to your assets when you die, but it also spells out what happens if you become incapacitated. So it's important to have medical powers of attorney as well as financial powers of attorney and medical directives that appoints someone you trust to act on your behalf if you can't act for yourself. Mistake number 4, failing to fund a trust. If the centerpiece of your estate plan is a trust, once it's drafted, you are not done. You need to actually fund the trust by retitling assets in the name of the trust, or the trust will be useless. Mistake number 5, not checking your beneficiary designations. You should periodically review your retirement plan beneficiary designations to make sure they aren't outdated. Retirement accounts do not follow your will or trust. They are distributed according to the forms you fill out with the insurance company or the company dealing with your IRA. You need to make sure you have named a beneficiary and the beneficiary is who you want it to be. Number 6, not reviewing the plan. Once you've got an estate plan in place, it is important to keep it up to date. Circumstances change over time, and your estate plan needs to keep up with these changes. Major changes that may affect your plan include getting married or divorced, having children, or experiencing an increase or decrease in assets. Even if you don't have any major changes, you should review your plan periodically to make sure it still expresses your wishes. I'm Antoinette Bone, estate planning, probate, guardianship, and elder law attorney in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. If you found this content useful and would like to see more like it, please like this video, subscribe to my page, and don't forget to tell your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.